Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover internship opportunity from IBM. The name of the internship is Client Engineering, which is offered from multiple locations like Mumbai, Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore in multiple states. In IBM, they are changing the technology sales approach. So in this process, you are going to appoint as an intern here. As a technology engineer, you are going to collaborate with various team members in the process of deployment as well as developing the IBM products as well as platforms. So you're going to spend a minimum of 4 weeks to maximum of 6 weeks of duration with the IBM. And during this period, your contributions are the major factor in deployment as well as development of IBM products towards the growth and innovation. So you are going to contribute in the field of pre-sales. That means before sales, what are the strategies they need? In that particular strategy, you are going to work. When we come to the roles and responsibilities, so approximately top 500 companies are working with IBM. They are using the platform from IBM or they are using the facilities from the IBM like IT infrastructure, which includes technology solutions, services, or the servers, whatever it may be. So the IBM Technology Business Unit devices sales for the hardware products like enterprise servers, storages, cloud services, or the software products like data, AI, automation, security, sustainability solutions. In this process, you are going to work with other team members. They are going to allocate one product portfolio for you, and you are going to work on that particular portfolio only. Only one single portfolio are going to work together. This particular portfolio led by a senior executive, we can call this as a business unit executive, having vast experience in that particular sales as well as the specific technology area. So you are going to work with very senior persons from IBM. It may be business unit executives or territory managers or the function ecosystem. Business unit is going to have set of product managers, sellers as well as the technical specialists. So you're going to work with this core team. You're going to work with others in the technical solution development as well as the growth mindset and product knowledge. You are going to have sales support and documentation as well as reporting. So in these areas you are going to work. And when we come to the required qualification, so if you are from bachelor's degree or master's degree in the field of computer science or related area, you should have keen interest to learn the new technologies, and you should have the strong academic achievements or the relevant projects during the academics. You should be able to implement the skills what you know in the form of projects, and knowledge on at least one coding or scripting language basics you should have. Whatever the language you have in your academics, that may be C, C++, Python, Java. So among these languages, you should have at least one strong knowledge in any one of the coding languages, at least basics if you know, then they are going to train you. So you should have good problem solving as well as analytical skills, and communication skills should have understand how the computing services are provided, networking services are provided, storage as well as security services are provided by the cloud. You should have basics of these technologies. Understanding in microservices, architecture, ability to deploy and troubleshoot deployments, advising clients on best practices. Experimental knowledge you should have. Then POC, proof of concept or demos you should be able to do. That means whenever the implementation is going on, you should be in a position to explain what are the functionality provided by the tool, what is the basic structure you are implementing. So you should have excellent communication skills in the form of written as well as the verbal communication skills. Collaborative mindset you should have. That means you should be able to communicate with others regarding the development as well as the deployment. And this is completely customer centric approach. That means you are going to communicate with the various customers and taking the requirements. By the requirements, you are going to collaborate with other members to implement. If you have the knowledge on any one of the technologies of IBM, then you are going to get more preference. So if you are interested, we can go through all these things about IBM. If you are interested, click on apply now. It will be redirected to another page. Log in with your credentials if you have, otherwise simply create your new login. It will ask you to log in here. If you have IBM ID, log in with IBM ID, or you can continue with the Google. Then fill the basic details, then submit. Based on your eligibility, you may be shortlisted. And once the shortlisted, you will get the communication mail regarding the selection process. That's all for now. If you have any queries, simply comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.